Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday, April 15th, 2022. We're going to have snow showers continuing mainly this morning, early afternoon in the eastern highlands, generally drying though west to east. As we go through today, the key points, again, the lingering snow, mainly in the eastern highlands with light accumulations, mainly an inch or less. We're going to have rain and snow moving back in Saturday and becoming windy. Potential for some locally heavy snow at very high elevations in the Sawtooths, generally 3 to 6 inches in the Sawtooth Mountains. Much warmer with Snake River Plain high temperatures approaching 60 on Saturday. And here's a look at the satellite. We continue to have cloud cover pushing through west to east across the region. And again, we've got some snow right now across the Snake River Plain through the eastern highlands. And again, most of this is going to shift east through the day and be focused in the eastern mountain areas. Here's the weather risk outlook. I expect some morning snow and some rain in the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, southern highlands with light snow across the eastern and southeast highlands. Expect drier conditions, no snow across the Sawtooth, Wood River area. On Saturday, we're going to have generally rain moving back into the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley. Could end as snow Saturday night in the valleys, but snow levels are going to start out very high, 7,000 to 8,000 feet. I could see at least some minor to moderate impacts in the Sawtooth region and eastern highlands. And again, it's going to be windy ahead of the front, and then also behind the front as it moves through, especially in the Snake River Plain, southern hills. Sunday should be generally dry for Easter Sunday. Some windy conditions in the Snake River Plain. No impacts Monday, and then some rain and snow moving back into the region on Tuesday. High temperatures today are remaining well below normal, generally 30s in the mountains, 40s in the valleys. Snowfall amounts, again, some local 2 to 4 inches in the Idaho Wasatch, some 1 to 3 inch amounts, generally right along hugging the Wyoming border, but generally very light as you move back to the west with no accumulations expected. Low temperatures tomorrow morning, again, very cold where we do have snow cover, Stanley Island Park areas in the teens to single digits. Generally teens in the mountains and 20s in the Snake River Plain. And here we go with the much warmer conditions on Saturday, which is the reason for the very high snow levels. Generally getting close to 60 in parts of the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, generally 40s and 50s even in the mountains and mountain valleys. And here are the wind gusts again. Many areas 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts Saturday afternoon, especially southern highlands along Route 84 and the Snake River Plain. And Saturday night, even higher gusts, closer to 40 miles per hour across INL and some of the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley regions. Snowfall amounts Saturday and Sunday. You can see we've got some 8 to 12 inch amounts, but this is mainly higher than 8,000 feet. We're going to see more like 2 to 4 inch amounts, Sun Valley through the Stanley and the valleys up the Wood River. And eastern highlands, not expecting significant amounts, generally 1 to 3 inches. Could see up to 4 inches across Teton Pass. Low temperatures by Sunday morning. It will cool off again behind the cold front generally. Some single digits in the Stanley area. Teens, some of the mountain valleys, generally 20s in the Snake River Plain on Easter morning. High temperatures Sunday will be a bit cooler than Saturday. Generally 40s into the lower 50s across the Snake River Plain, 30s and 40s in the mountains. And the last week of April, quick 8 to 14 day outlook. Looking at a much better chance of below normal temperatures and also a little bit better chance of above normal precipitation. So after some warm up, 1 to 2 week outlook look like it's going to be colder again. So again, the summary, we're going to have lingering snow in the eastern highlands, accumulations, generally an inch or less. We're going to see another upper level system and associated cold front with rain and snow Saturday and becoming pretty windy. Again, potential heavy snow, very high elevations, generally above 8,000 feet in the Sawtooth Range. It's going to be much warmer with some of the valley temperatures approaching 60 degrees. And again, a cold front will move through Saturday evening, and it will cool off again for Easter Sunday. And that pretty much will conclude it. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a good day today.